I'm gonna do another quick video again real quick with the Prado. I wanted to show you how these back doors open. I think they're pretty cool. The RAV4s also do it like that. I know a lot of the vehicles do too, but again, it's all here. These are usually missing, even in newer cars. And there it is. And I think we should redo this tint. It's not a very good tint job. Probably was back in the day, but looks like she's seen better days. So we'll be working on that. We'll try to make a video on cleaning that off for you. It does have the wing on top, which I don't see it on all of them or most of them, but I think that was kind of cool. I guess this is maybe the sport edition. Is that what they would say? Let's get in and start it up for you. So I think I did my math right. 188,000 kilometers. Starts right up. But give me your thoughts, guys, on these tachometers. Everything works on the dash except the tachometer. When I say everything on the dash, on the cluster, the gas gauge works. Just filled it up yesterday. Temperature gauge works. Just started up now, so it's cold, but it does work. All the lights work. Everything works, just not the tachometer. I did think I read somewhere that there's a circuit board inside the instrument cluster that needs to be resoldered. Anybody have the same issue? Help me out a little bit. Would be nice if it worked. Again, not crucial, but there it is. All right, like and subscribe. We'll keep bringing some videos on it.